Uncovering the secret of God leads to a path of ultimate power, an exceptional force that enables individuals to surpass traditional limits. This profound realization suggests that those who decode this hidden knowledge gain the capacity to exert influence over their reality with unmatched strength. Once grasped, supreme power becomes a transformative catalyst, allowing individuals to shape their lives dynamically and purposefully. The core of this secret lies in its transcendence of ordinary perspectives, providing an elevated consciousness that goes beyond the commonplace. Empowered by supreme power, individuals can navigate the complexities of their existence, shaping circumstances to align with their deepest aspirations. This revelation implies a profound interconnection between the seeker and the fundamental fabric of the universe. As one wields supreme power, they become an architect of destiny, orchestrating life experiences with intention and precision. The secret of God becomes a guiding force, unveiling the inherent potential within each person to create a reality in harmony with their truest desires. As individuals embark on the journey of discovery, the revelation of this secret not only grants power, but also imparts a profound responsibility to use it judiciously for personal and global betterment. Quantum physics explores the deep connection between consciousness and the material world, offering insights into the interconnected nature of existence. At the heart of this exploration is the observer effect, a fundamental principle in quantum mechanics that suggests the act of observation actively shapes the properties of a quantum system. This concept emphasizes the inherent link between the observer's consciousness and the behavior of subatomic particles. In the realm of quantum physics, the mind and imagination emerge as crucial components in shaping human experiences and perceptions of reality. The recognition that observation can influence the physical world underscores the importance of mental processes in defining our understanding of existence. The implications go beyond traditional scientific boundaries, suggesting that the mind's role is not passive but actively engages with the fabric of reality. As quantum physics progresses, there is an increasing acknowledgement that the mind's impact on reality extends beyond classical physics' conventional limits. The integration of consciousness and material phenomena challenges established notions, fostering a deeper appreciation for the intricate interplay between the observer's awareness, imagination, and the unfolding dynamics of the quantum universe. In the captivating convergence of imagination and quantum physics, a paradigm-shifting revelation emerges, challenging conventional understanding. Quantum physics, delving into the fundamental aspects of our universe, reveals a profound connection between thoughts, observations, and the physical world. While science traditionally maintained a clear distinction between the observer and the observed, quantum mechanics introduces the idea that consciousness and imagination play pivotal roles in shaping reality. Imagination, once considered subjective, is now recognized as a potent force influencing the physical world. Quantum phenomena, such as the observer effect, suggest that the act of observation can alter the properties of a quantum system. This implies that the mind's impact on reality goes beyond mere perception, indicating a deeper relationship between consciousness and the physical realm than previously acknowledged. The implications of this quantum-level manifestation challenge traditional scientific thought boundaries. Imagination emerges as a creative force with tangible consequences, capable of shaping the very fabric of reality. As quantum physics and the understanding of consciousness evolve, the profound connection between imagination and the material world promises to revolutionize our perception of the universe, emphasizing the transformative power inherent in the human mind. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the New Thought movement, provided profound insights in his 1969 lecture, intricately linking the secrets of imagining with the divine realm. According to Goddard, imagination serves as the conduit to supreme power, representing a connection to the very essence of God. In his view, imagining transcends mere mental processes; it becomes a transformative force with the potential to shape one's reality. Goddard delves into the fundamental nature of the universe, asserting that it is a manifestation of probabilities intricately intertwined with the observer's influence. This observation underscores the pivotal role of imagination in shaping our experiences and molding the external world. By emphasizing the observer's impact, Goddard underscores the profound connection between consciousness and the physical realm. Essentially, Neville Goddard's perspective revolves around recognizing the divine potency inherent in the human capacity to imagine. This recognition, he believes, unravels the secret of God, endowing individuals with supreme power to shape their destinies and navigate the intricate dance between imagination and reality. Through Goddard's teachings, imagination emerges not merely as a mental faculty, but as a sacred tool capable of unlocking the mysteries of existence and tapping into the limitless potential within the human spirit. The concept of imagination being intertwined with the divine takes on profound meaning when considering the belief that God and human imagination are inseparable. According to this perspective, God is regarded as spirit, and the essence of his spirit is said to reside within every individual. This notion establishes a direct and intimate connection between humans and the divine through the faculty of imagination. The proclamation that man is all imagination and God exists in man encapsulates a profound spiritual understanding. It suggests that the very core of human existence, the imaginative faculty, is not only a unique aspect of individual consciousness, but also a dwelling place for the divine. This profound connection implies that the act of imagining is not merely a mental exercise but a spiritual endeavor, aligning individuals with the essence of God within them. In this paradigm, imagination becomes a sacred bridge between the finite and the infinite, a means through which individuals can tap into the divine realm. It emphasizes the idea that the creative power of imagination is not separate from God, but in fact, a reflection of the divine creative force. This philosophy invites contemplation on the sacred nature of the human mind and its potential to manifest the divine in the realm of thought and creation. Imagination stands as a divine force, intricately woven into the fabric of human creativity. It is an ethereal power that transcends mere mental images, extending into the realm of deliberate creation. The imaginative process is an intricate dance between the conscious mind and the vast reservoir of the subconscious, where ideas are not only generated but meticulously refined. Beyond the realm of default reflections of reality, imagination becomes the catalyst for transformative innovation and purposeful manifestation. At its core, the creative process driven by imagination is a journey of exploration and innovation. It demands the courage to venture beyond the ordinary, allowing the mind to conceive ideas that transcend the constraints of conventional thinking. Imagination serves as the impetus for breaking free from the mundane and envisioning possibilities yet unexplored. In this process, ideas take shape, evolving from mere concepts into tangible visions that hold the potential to reshape reality. The profound connection between the imaginative mind and the act of deliberate creation underscores the importance of nurturing this divine power. It is through the cultivation of imagination that individuals harness the ability to breathe life into novel concepts, ultimately contributing to the tapestry of human innovation and progress. Imagination, as a creative force, becomes not just a mental exercise but a gateway to shaping a reality that transcends the boundaries of the known, propelling humanity forward into uncharted realms of thought and creation. The synergy between the subconscious mind and imagination is a cornerstone in understanding the intricacies of the creative process. The subconscious mind, operating beneath the surface of conscious awareness, serves as a reservoir of accumulated experiences, beliefs, and emotions. It acts as a silent orchestrator, influencing thoughts, feelings, and actions. When imagination comes into play, it taps into this subconscious reservoir, drawing upon the stored memories and experiences to forge new ideas. Imagination, far from being a mere flight of fancy, is a dynamic force that shapes mental experiences. It is the bridge between the conscious and the subconscious realms, allowing individuals to visualize possibilities beyond immediate reality. As the imaginative process unfolds, it intertwines with the subconscious, bringing forth the fusion of creativity and stored perceptions. This interplay extends beyond mental realms, permeating into the fabric of reality itself. The subconscious mind, acting as the silent architect, collaborates with imagination to mold the external world. The power lies not just in generating novel ideas, but in consciously directing these mental constructs towards intentional manifestation. In recognizing this symbiotic relationship, individuals gain insight into the profound influence of the subconscious mind and imagination, unlocking the potential to deliberately shape their experiences and influence the broader scope of reality. 5-step creative process. Step 1. In the 5-step creative process, the first crucial stage is preparation. Here, individuals meticulously determine their desired outcome, acting as architects of their aspirations. This involves not merely conceptualizing goals, but planting the seed of intention deep within the subconscious mind. Through methods like hypnosis or meditation, the chosen outcome takes root in the fertile soil of the subconscious. This preparatory step lays the foundation for a journey where thoughts, beliefs, and actions harmonize, propelling the individual toward deliberate manifestation. It exemplifies the proactive nature of creative expression, setting the stage for subsequent steps in the transformative process of turning imagination into reality. Step 2. Persistence stands as a pivotal element, urging individuals to persevere in their chosen path despite challenges or opposition. It signifies a determined commitment to the envisioned outcome, emphasizing the resilience required to overcome obstacles. In the face of difficulties, persistence fuels unwavering dedication, ensuring that setbacks do not deter progress. This step underscores the understanding that the journey towards manifestation demands steadfast resolve, making resilience an essential virtue. Ultimately, persistence in the creative process is a testament to the unwavering belief in the desired outcome, reinforcing the transformative power of determination in achieving one's goals. Step 3. Living in the state signifies a pivotal phase where one emotionally connects with and immerses themselves in the envisioned outcome. This step involves absorbing the desired reality to the point where it becomes the predominant perspective. By fostering a deep emotional bond with the intended outcome, individuals align their consciousness with the envisioned state, reinforcing belief and commitment. This absorption acts as a catalyst, shaping not only mental experiences but also influencing the manifestation of the desired reality. In essence, living in the state emphasizes the transformative power of emotional connection in the intentional and deliberate creation process. Step 4. Incubation serves as a pivotal stage, urging individuals to grant the subconscious mind the essential time to assimilate and process information. During this phase, ideas planted in the subconscious take root and undergo transformative development. By allowing thoughts to marinate in the mental realm, the subconscious mind meticulously refines and integrates these concepts. Incubation stands as a testament to the intricacies of the creative process, emphasizing the significance of patience and trust in the subconscious ability to yield insights. Ultimately, this incubation period contributes to the manifestation of refined and purposeful outcomes in the journey of intentional creation. Step 5. The culmination unfolds as the desired outcome begins to materialize. Rooted in a fusion of conscious and subconscious activities, this transformative journey propels the initial seed of intent towards tangible reality. Persistence and emotional immersion characterize living in the envisioned state, fostering a harmonious interplay between thought and subconscious processing. During the incubation phase, the subconscious mind delicately processes information, paving the way for the manifestation of desires. This dynamic process reflects a profound understanding of the mind's creative potential, where intention and belief converge to shape the fabric of one's lived experience. Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques offer profound insights into intentional creation. Imaginal acts involve visualizing desired outcomes, while constructing an event envisions a natural progression toward the goal. The congratulations technique involves mentally receiving praise for achieving the desire. The dare to assume technique encourages acting as if the goal is already a reality. Eavesdropping involves imagining conversations affirming success. The revision technique reframes past experiences positively. The fast-forward technique transports one mentally to a future where the desire is fulfilled. The I remember when technique places the subconscious in a future where the manifestation has already occurred. These methods amplify the power of focused imagination and deliberate manifestation. Cultivating awareness for deliberate manifestation involves recognizing the intricate relationship between conscious and subconscious minds. Neville's profound insight, highlighting imagination as the secret of God, accentuates the significance of intentional and focused manifestation in shaping desired realities. Acknowledging this interplay empowers individuals to harness the creative forces within, guiding thoughts and emotions purposefully. By understanding the role of imagination in the subconscious, one gains the ability to influence outcomes, fostering a proactive approach to manifesting goals and creating a harmonious alignment between personal intent and the unfolding reality.